fire for fire, fire for fire, fire for fire, fire for fire. Of course, this is the show. Eda Yesu beba ena nipa bi empanifo bi ebete bobole bobo. Ena dia adwuma wo ye no. Satam no na se ubutu ho, se uda ho, se ujina ho, otwe na ye ntwe. Bebi etua no ehwa na etua. Enu nti no se dia wo ye wa asase su bia no uyi wakomam na ode wakomam fita. Ode utiri mu fita. Ode adwene a eye adwene pa e de yesa adwuma wo ye no. Se be Ghana fo na de yesa wonsa. Se ye wankasa wadwuma na wo ye. Se ye obi na de yesa wonsa. Se eye Ghana fo na ehunu e de se adwuma na se wonsa firi wakomam na ye. Esanse mre beba. Ye kaye chire obi. E kaye asumasi timidi ne sesi ne bu se obi ani ho ti so no a. Wo se obi ani wo he wono na nka dia obi ani wo betimi aka. Nipa da sani a yede abawiase wo so no na beka. Enti normalization committee me say don't bow to any pressure. Ye hear competent people e committee ni so. Ebeyo ja.
Now let me hear you say well. Now let me hear you say well.
What you saw there? What you saw there? What you saw there? I can't show you more. Yeah, what you saw there? You put it deep. What you saw there? What you saw there? What you saw there? Ada Yesu beba. Ada Yesu beba. Ada Yesu beba.
Ayo ja. Enum no west na wom na de papa. Eti west no. What you saw them budidi. Eti you saw them je nkrofo yere, je nkrofo kunu. Bobra pone. Na sa ni pei. Na o de adwuma hye ne sase wo meye oman ye adwuma. What you saw them emfa ne ho kra. Emfa ne ho chese. Emfa ne ho wokobna ne timi eka asansi sudua se maka kire o se se meme time so ya emema review me si bibia wa sese bia wo na wieye ade a ye wasasi so de wona sese bia ni wa ni na wieye wasasi so otiase enti normalization committee and then on commentary position Ghana for fire Ghana for be fire because me say mo bien for unnecessary pressure. Normalization committee don't bow down to just say don't bow to any unnecessary in your pressure keke. Men bow to any unnecessary pressure bia. Just mayenya competent people ewo ad hoc committee ne so. Mayenya den yenya competent people, and only word, underline it for me. Competent people. And no Ghana for here. And no Ghana for everyone say, one bit marry a Jumandiama or my Ghana. Mamun bow to any unnecessary pressure bia. Dear listener, Kitamunwa, Mua Tidio Mumu, say womu and a bit marry a Jumano, woman and some of the Bamonting. My bet.Africa. Ubia ni asasi so ni master. Hene yara me catch no. Ubia won the master. Enti my bet.Africa ene betting company ko he enko titi computer ho e di disk ene ko he ko offices out do na ko he more fire I mean we ministry ho men fire mo nyina professional fire and confirm our gifty we adwuma ewo Ministry of Youth and Sports professional fire and confirm our Elvis Ejeba professional fire Mr. Emmanuel Otin chief accountant otiase eno bibia owo ministry ho na ode na adwumu fita eye adwuma eboa sebia ye sports no be konanim Malcolm ho na Ghana fo digwa azafo kromfo bia akromfo abakrom eni na internet so se tonoma digwa usani skanama na onfa no mamrew akromfo bi ju ho ahwane July so July Malcolm na se ukodigwa no Malcolm ho na se ukodigwa otidi a ju ho ahwan dini inkrafo July men kodigwa ho Malcolm na kotokoto odoma hono on kan cho se seniska no no Malcolm kan se seniska no na oba wa beti no ma no wa ye osete usika na kodi ni honti no wa first ka no Malcolm na se okodi dwa no o chase Betway was it for the love of the game live in play betting Betway was it for the love of the game o chase fresh lady capsules and a fresh man capsules Makacho senra me do stadium na ni popo chi edoma bo obia e freshman capsules e mema ne ma fresh lady capsules freshman capsules Cobblestone okoma me say yes form bet138.com am scan it time to scan it there etaho bet138.com or see win every day and rather ukopiemu our Old Trafford Ukopiemu Old Trafford the hot and a Patrick Osagiman fireman himself and no kwatina nkonwam na sika puduo pa
Boom, now let me hear say well. Boom, now let me hear say well.
Fire for fire Nikujo and Associates makacho say ope obi obema o company no etime ejina ne nanso sebi unim de no a wo de touch no aye kama but I say unya dia obetime a draft business proposals ne kama e dia mawo 0542 444 958 0542 444 958 na say oni Nikujo and Associates and nei wono wom so AD and South so Equator Phones na me atuma Asempa FM eye Asempa Star so nim say 15th and eye finals no Asempa Star no empenifo asise no sonko say December ya and final four no womo edebe hye so na Equator Phones monke kam ho e ho de okowa mobile phone bia ope ubenya bi e wo Equator Phones o tia se nei womo na produce eye Equator eye Asus phones no omo na diapa eti bomode se obepe mobile phone e quality circle ne bo no so eda form boko na mobile phone na echia utu se wa ha beka se ye de camera ka sie bi na abegina ho atwa eye Equator phone na diapa 050 153 2471 050 153 2471 na se onuom AD and South so tiedinwe Fido na tie eye FIDO Fido money lending me pacho enei se odo ho ebata Fido fo na tie Fido no oko Facebook a o de search Fido 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 money enei omo eboawo ama chese business awaye bronya ba ese wunyeska edi shem ese ye de wunyeska edi she business no mu enti ye be free December mu ye be wura January no na wo ska bubuja Fido fo aba nya fe na wo bob sia obia ho wo mu na ese wo bob sia no wo ho wo mu na ese oje besia ne sika be na wo pe sika bia wo pe no just pick the number and call them pick the telephone number no 0540 111 954 0540 111 954 na wafrɛ fido foɔ no me say FIDO fido na sɛ onuom edi ensawso sika bia wo pɛ enkobo bosia obi a ho no mfa kukuru emfa ntoso mawo fido foɔ no okwa wo no tena se kakra bi na wanya sika e dia show business mu wanya sika na bibia awie pɛyo e dia mawo what you say now back to normalization committee no me say ne obe fire me so me fire Ibrahim Babangida ebe fire na ye oja esanse normalization committee no eni kwan se wo mu tietie me say wo mu wo yenye support yen no wo ye support wo mu san wo Ghana for support wo mu FIFA support so enye time se wo ko pikin name depa no mo ye competent de here no e competent people na wo depa na fe no bi so esembe ma no way and you know and then on commentary position no you say don't bow to any unnecessary pressure be any wo dia Ghana for here ne say obama ye competent people obama ye dia competent people a womanim de football no wo metimi aye that is all dia Ghana for ehia ene say wo baba ye wo mu a sebe enya trofo enya wo mu a sebe edin lawyer na dane liars wo baba ye correct name a wo baba ye competent nipa wo manim de wo mo suade wo manim de wo manim se football no ya de mra na ye enti mra na se msua na me interpret mra na yie enya wo mu a wo mo be ye nafo wo mo be ye busua wo mo be ye mamenom ne papanom ne sisters ne wo mo de o mabusua na eba be ye football no anya sa people no na Ghana for hwehwe anya sa afo no na Ghana for hwehwe ewo the another step a yede efe ne kɔ bebia yede ye ne akire no ehwa ne ye kɔ bebia football no sesei adane every sa efin proye ne kankan ni mu no enye ho ne yesa akobiem yenko efin ni mu biem yenko entro ni mu biem yenko krono ni mu biem nemom now no you are moving forward so get us competent people ma yehu se edin a oba bebo eno na mka kire o ene mpelefo eso mbebudi no na utie de ne namu eden so ene de ombebo eden ene so de ese mobo because according to normalization committee ne kasamafo ye Dan Kwaku Yabua kasamafo edema FIFA normalization committee ewo omanyimu normalize football normalize normal tutu normal ama football na kona nim no wo se ende eriko mamintie Dan magana for ensantie Dan na wonsi sutuema se daben ena womu yese womu de committee no ebetudwa ese Ghana for etime ekoyanim ne ehu se eyene enna me ka dodo na kire wo enna wotiye se wose bibia list ni nyina ready wose list ni nyina ready but asat now amno ekase wa hayi womunya enemu womunya inaugurate ad hoc committee no womunya inaugurate hard work committee na enedia epa ne se yetwam yenya inaugurate na kra biem breaking news no dia mensaka champion producers a etasho yechi Sergio Manucho English fireman Georgiado Mavis Amano fire lady reporter abeka se wa hasisi a otiase ene se adwo committee na ye baba no greater na no ye nya ye biem more fire ejana hihye wom ejana hihye normalization committee no this is the show fire for fire of course Hana Ghana 40 ahana ye kanu kre no ahana ye be mu hu se untimi mfa wadwen enye bibia keke enso Ghana fo ani. And you know, a deben and I call for this this inauguration now and can they Ghana for him say a personal a diabena are calling it off. A diabena finally no a ye inauguration everyone no kululu, no mafia, no den brofubium na besan kan no kalabule for wako kan no awam kabako kan yam bubo bebre ado so bubo bi kan no diem no jarega no crocro the dog kan na ukro ma uza kasa zunim kan no na yi ya gani Unti baba unti nganga. No kalabulu, no she. Inyano na Ghana for train. Unti baba finally they're calling off.
Akobi na DNSC.
Yes. And I made sure say yenna, yenkruma yenna.
Oh,
the last time I'm there more than 3 hours.
I'm so shocked.
The last time
I'm so
shocked. 3 hours for Kruma.
I'm so shocked about how inconsistent the normalization committee is being. After say what Ghana for a power chi. This normalization committee behave as if say na the old regime na Ghana for time omo na Ghana for bomb paye susa na si bi mra megye empam firi omu nsem no. This normalization committee is acting as if omo yes ankofo no ba mo de ente sa Ghana for time I'm telling you
for fact Ghana for time 5 time so na ye
Kobi apart from the 3 mandate FIFA the normalization they also represent 3 great interests.
Okay.
One of the interests is abanya otisui. So aban timi step in intervene ma o mampani ankasa edi ni nyansa ni suehunu e fa phone any FIFA president Gianni Infantino e kasa for 2 hours e mampani no on phone what French kasa ntino woni Infantino there was no translator. Our mampani nankasa na kasa ya FIFA any abaya kabom de this normalization aba. So the normalization has an interest say yes, Uncle, it is a recipe for political mischief.
Jesus Christ.
Secondly, Dayeswa announce a room ya wana si benya ye any sika what they say this undercover investigation could be some means mania my dream in susu ye kire me say bet me be say $1 million na se dia ye aduma wo ya man to the normalization committee and me am so papa na sa brand ni duma no obedi ye no abeye so useless
ma Sergio get me the voice please get me Dankokuya voice our can and what see so say and then I come over here
the 6th of December.
Please get me the voice.
Yes.
Now we need the voice. Ghanaians demand the voice. Ghana for demanded voice, now. One more here say one match say sebe and then you boy trim ha. Ebe can say one more bear negation and if I say I calling off. And I say, yes, I say, you're calling it off. No.
Under what reason? What circumstance? DNA, PSA, ama normalization. Antikobi, ayesan. Normalization in their consultation with the clubs. Et me ko ben krom sa afiwe ye normalize situation. Anti club will be in Africa. Ade chia na asia besesa. Normalization committee for a budget of 7.2 million Ghana cedi ba see be organize the competitions for Premier League 16 clubs and the 48 Division 1 now boagu e kire ye betie no yes Premier for nko akohia e the budget of 5 million ba Division 1 nko akohia e the budget of 2 million ba so doesn't this still amount to normalization proposal on the buy on the 6th of December ye nyina ntwen se committees are Udi be ye juma committees are ebe so wase these other committees are ebe ma Dr. Kofi Amwa ene wapamfo mo juma na ye mra amamwa ye nyina say ye boy ensem mamo say a very strategic say after 85 days in office na a name we power committee no enra me say names binum kwa na air security kobi it tells you say na sa names ya na me ne wo ye tete na air security say wonum na ebe serve one committee no it's a great assurance to Ghana football say we are on the path of restoring integrity because people yenimunkophobia so much tried and tested over the years or might justify say ye nyansa any nimdia ye football no Sankofo ya na di kwesi nyantachi in 2006 they called the World Cup in Germany be the only African country as debutant you qualify from the group stage safo ya na du omu nyansa du omu nimdie enta owura kwesi nyantachi in 2010 World Cup Ghana be ye krabe hwe South Africa na anu ye esan se owura kwesi nyantachi opamu se nimdifo ne nyansafo afiri nachi ekofa nsukonu ma bi enwura bi bedidi nachi ye disaster ekoto ye organize in 2014 na yen kwoti a ye nipa bi a wo monsa clean people whose hands are soiled wonum ne sum kwesi yodium ema ni guase kakaka ya to na ene ya banned from all football related activities it is ankofo wey ebe mount unnecessary pressure on normalization na munso mukoto to that unnecessary pressure say sansa edian asate no anajo Dr. Kofi Amu awokoda na winim se wa form various committees ebe ye adwuma die na sie na wa calling off
and I'm say